Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried eggs. First, gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, a little butter or oil, and some salt and pepper. Next, select a good non-stick pan and a sturdy spatula. Place your pan on the stove over medium-low heat. This gentle heat is key to preventing the egg from burning and ensures even cooking. You're now ready for the next step. Now that your pan is warm, add about 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. Once it's melted and shimmering, carefully crack an egg directly into the pan. Be gentle to keep the yolk intact. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk. The whites should be set, but the yolk will still be soft and golden. You have options for your yolk. For a slightly firmer, jammy yolk, cover the pan for about 1 minute. If you like an over-easy egg, gently flip it with your spatula and cook for just 30 seconds more. For a fully set, hard yolk, simply cook it for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, or until it reaches your desired firmness. Once your egg is cooked to perfection, carefully slide it from the pan onto your plate. Now for the finishing touches. Season your fried egg with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground pepper to enhance its flavor. Serve it immediately, perhaps alongside toast or bacon, and enjoy your perfectly fried egg. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.